Show you how to extract targeted leads for any domain that you want. I mean targeted emails for any domain that you want. So it's going to be a step-by-step guide. So before we begin, I will urge you to join us on Telegram. You will find the link below this description. You will see updating family, and then if you want to contact me, you will see my handle here too. Here is my handle. Please be careful. A lot of people are trying to clone this handle, and I don't want you to fall a victim of scam. So before we begin, here is the tool we are going to be using. This is the tool here, this very one. This is the tool we are going to be using. So you can use the link here. This is our online forum. This is the link here. Use it to download the tool, and then we can go deeper into it. So here is all that you need. Actually, you need an Opera Mini. Okay, this is Opera Mini I'm using. So you need one Opera Mini. So when you download it, you'll find the file I'm going to introduce to you, which is this one. So this is the file here. This is the file you are going to download. So when you download it, unzip it, and then go to Opera, click on this extension here, this very one, click on it, and manage extension, click on it, then it will load. Give it some time. It's because I'm on RDP and it's very slow. Okay, look at it here. So this developer mode, turn it on. Then you will see pack and unpack. So what we are going to do is we are going to load unpack. Okay, so this is the tool here. We're going to load it. I'll click on this one and select the folder. So this is it here. It has been loaded. So click on it again, and then you can pin it to the toolbar, and then click on it, and then here is it. It has a key actually, but I won't be showing it. So this key, you will copy the link and put it there. I'll put the link. So here we are going to use ChatGPT and say, hello, please give me list of occupations that got rich folks. It should be 2 words. And it should be 500. I say, hello, please give me a list of occupations that got rich folks. It should be 1 or 2 words per line, and it should be 500 words. It should be 500. So we'll click enter. We are waiting for it to do its thing. So this is what we got here. So I'm going to mix random domain, maybe AOL, Gmail, and you can target any domain. Maybe you want to target Nesicom, you want to target Gmax, you want to target any private domain, maybe Japan domain, Big Globe, and the rest of other ones. You can also target them. Okay, so what happened is I'm going to copy some of these out because I won't be doing too much. So I copy this out, and then I'll go here, paste it here. Then here, I'll put AOL.com. I might put yahoo.com. I might put gmail.com. Actually, I'm just doing this for tutorial sake. All right, you can you can do like other private domain you want, like Comcast and the rest stuff. Okay, so this is for educational purpose. This is not to promote anything, please. This is for email marketers and then whatever, so use this carefully. So after doing that, maybe if it's private domain, you shouldn't put location. Maybe Nezicom already shouldn't have location, but this domain everybody uses it, so maybe I'm going to put location, maybe USA, and then I would have put this 20, but because of this tutorial, let me do it, and I'll click start. So it's running already. Oh, I did a mistake, sorry. So here I was supposed to put ads here. All right, so I'm going to do that now. Ads, and here too, ads. So I'm going to click start. So it's going to extract the leads on its own, or the emails on its own. All I do is I'm going to solve the captcha that pops up. So you can see it's doing its thing. So in my, maybe when you get to 200, I will pause it. My reason is you can do the rest yourself, because I'm just trying to show you how this works. Okay, so maybe when it gets to 200, I will pause it, but I'm waiting for it. Actually, the reason why it is slow is because the RDP is slow. I have a lot of things I'm running in the background. Okay, that is why it's slow. So when this pop up, you solve it and let it continue doing its thing. I have 51. So I'm going to pause the video and come back when it's 200. Okay. So you can see that this is what we got here already. Okay, let me just solve this one. So you can see it keeps adding more and more and more and more, because I have to leave it to go do other stuff, and when I came back, this is all we have got. So I might just stop it and download the one we have already, so that I can use it to show you other things I want to show you. All right, so if you are done, if you're done, or you are okay with the result you've gotten, you can click here, the stop button here. You can click it to stop. Okay, let me just stop it now, and let's download the result already. Okay, this is the result we got already. Let me show you. Okay, these are all the results, and they are all USA targeted, so you can see all of it, right? Different domain. So if you have gotten your leads and you've gotten to this side, all I can say is congratulations. And then if you have a problem, if you have issue, do not forget to get back to us at Telegram. You can see I will leave our Telegram description link below, and don't forget to contact Anonymous Saga, which is my account, so that if you got question or you got a biz we can discuss, you can get me there. Don't A lot of people is gonna clone accounts, so don't fall a victim for this. Just go to our main stuff and you can find me there, or you can find me here. You can find me on our forum too. This is our forum. You can find my link here, which is if you go to the home, and then you scroll, you're gonna see where you can join, and then from there you can join other places. So let's go back to the emails we've gotten. This is the email here. So what I'll do now is we are going to validate this email. So what does validation do? Validation helps email to reduce bounce rate. If you're using SMTP or webmail to send an email, you need to validate the email, because if you don't, the sender you're using, the SMTP or the webmail, is gonna die. All right. So let's get this. I copy this, and then we're going to go to another place. I'll put this here in the music section. This is another Telegram. Another RDP. So this is our leads. So I'm just going to open it wide, and then let's validate. So this tool is a validator, is the bouncer tool. It validates and the bounce, and it validates and the bounce in real time, like in real time. Okay, if you need this, you're also going to contact me. So it's not available on our store now. Okay, so here is the stuff for God. We'll just have to add it here and then proceed. Okay, you can see it's 500 emails. So we are going to validate. It takes a little bit time for it to validate, but you can see it's giving us the real validation. Like, it's going to give you the one that is going to bounce back. It's going to give you as as invalid. Okay, the one that is not in a good format is invalid. So if you want to send emails, I would advise you to remove the bounce rate, so that you can keep the XMTP or you can keep the webmail active, so that like keep the reputation, or maybe the so they don't get it killed. All right, this is for educational purpose. So as this is going on, let's check it out. So I don't want to take much of your time. Okay, I don't want to take much of your time. Let's go to check the stuff here. Today is 27. So this is the result we have going on. These are the valid ones here. Okay, and let's check the one that is the the unknown email. These ones. Okay, and if we check this out, you're gonna see that it's not actually valid anymore. So these are the ones who are going to send to this very one, although it's still going. So at this junction, if you need anything, do not forget to contact us. I would have to end this video here, so that I won't keep it long or going. Do take care of yourself, and don't forget to contact Anonymous Saga. Bye. Take care of yourself.